In this video, I'm going to show you how to add GSAP in Webflow. So firstly, open up Webflow and log into your Webflow account. And once you're logged in and you're on your dashboard here, so select the website that you want to work on. So click on your website and just open it. Okay, so click on it and open it. So once you're on your website, once you've opened it here, so once you've opened up the site here, what you're going to do is click on the settings here, which is next to your home icon here. So click on it. So this will open up your page settings here. So once you're here on your page settings, so what we're going to do is you're going to click on the little settings icon here on your left side. So just click on it, and then here you will see GSAP option here. Tap on the GSAP option here, and then what we can do here, in order to just you got to click it and then follow the on-screen prompt to simply use it. But this feature is only for subscribed plans. So if you don't have a subscribed plan like me, you won't be able to use it. So all you have to do, if you want to use it, click on the view plans and then subscribe for a plan and then get a plan. And once that's done, you can just simply use this GSAP from here. And that's basically pretty much it is.